Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 11 and I would like to show you how to use secret codes on this phone. So the first thing you have to do is to open your phone dialer, then enter keypad. And here is a place where you can enter secret codes. So let me start with the first one, which is *#06#. This short code will show you all device information, both email and serial numbers. Tap on OK to exit, and then another one is *##, 225, ###. And here you've got the calendar info. So once you enter this code, all upcoming events from every calendar that you have connected with your device would be displayed right here. Very useful one. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here is *##, 426, ###. And this one will redirect you to diagnostic mode, which shows both events and status. By tapping on more and selecting advanced view, you can see way more details. So this is it. This is how you can enter the codes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.